welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a room tour, and I haven't done one of these in like 4.5 years, which is crazy. At that point I was still living at my parents' house, so now I'm living with my boyfriend in Brooklyn. This is our room, we obviously share it, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So basically we got these things from Target. They're like, we use them as nightstands, but I don't think they're advertised as nightstands. And I just have this nice little plant that David got me like almost 2 years ago or something. I have this little alarm clock that doesn't actually work, but it's cute. Then this little catch-all tray from Urban Outfitters with some rings in it. And then I just have this like storage thing to store stuff, some books, and this little basket at the bottom to store more things. And just, you know, cute things to hide the ugly stuff. So yeah, and those baskets are from Target. David has one also on his side of the bed. This is the bed, and I did a whole room makeover maybe like less than a month ago, and I have that video. I'll have it linked in one of the cards, either up here or up here. I forget which side it's on. And I have mostly everything for my room makeover linked in my Amazon storefront, and I'll just link literally everything down below that I can find. So this headboard is from Amazon. It's actually not even like nailed up to the bed because we've had this for a while and I don't even know, like don't ask. And then this is just like a bed frame, a random bed frame. So kind of, you know, a little weird, but you know, it works. So that's really pretty. I love that. And then we have these twinkly lights that are also from Amazon. I love them. I think it really adds something to the space. And then these throw pillows. Well, I'll just have everything linked down below. These are like covers from Amazon. This one's from Urban Outfitters. I literally had this in my room like from 4.5 years ago. I just love this pillow and it's held up pretty good. This duvet cover and duvet are also from Amazon. I love Amazon. And then that blanket is from Amazon. And we have this little toy for Brinley. She'll probably come if I start. Yeah, there she is.
The sound effects are an important part.
Rawr. Rawr. Okay, that's enough of that. I'll play with her more later.
She doesn't agree.
Then I have the scratching post from Amazon, and my cats love it. If not, they'll scratch like the doors and the furniture, so it's just good to have a scratching post for them. So then I have this storage thing, which honestly has a bunch of like random stuff in it. I really need to go through that. That is like one of the quarantine tasks that I really need to do. And I forget where this is from, but I will have it linked down below. It's either from like Michael's or IKEA. Yeah, I don't know. Or Target. I'll find it and link it for you. Then we have this printer, very glamorous. It's just a printer. And then we have this towel on top of it for Brinley because she loves to sit next to David while he's working at his computer, which is really cute. So she always would sit on the printer, but you know, this isn't really comfortable, so we put a towel there for her. So then we have David's desk, which the desk is from IKEA. This desk chair looks absolutely terrible because the cats have scratched it up so much. This is from IKEA. It used to be a really nice chair until they like destroyed it. Yeah, he just has his like desktops.
I have two screens that are like wall mounted.
Yes,
essentially.
Because he does a lot of work on these, and yeah, he also has his Microsoft thing.
Surface Book 3.
Yes, and then he has this mat pad, which he loves. He thinks it's really cool, and that is from Etsy. And then, you know, just a lamp. I think this is from IKEA. I'm not sure. We have this little sign from Urban Outfitters with like the phases of the moon over David's desk, which I think is really cute. And then he has like a random candle that he likes to burn when he's working sometimes. And then if you come over here, the most glamorous part of the room, we have their litter box and litter scooper and yeah, you know, cats. So then we come over to my desk, one of my favorite areas. Wait, so you can see the pretty background. She's just like begging to play. You're so cute, baby. Okay, so then for my desk, we have the garbage can, which is from Urban Outfitters. I love this. It's like so cute. I emptied it out before the video because, you know, cleanliness. Then this desk chair is from Amazon, I believe. I will have it linked. This is actually from my room on my parents, and I took it here because I really like it. Again, the cats scratched it up, but you know, it's just life with cats. Then we have this shelving, which has like random things on it, just a couple like fake plants and this candle and these jars, and it has the little like coins that you get when you go to places. Like you put the 2 quarters and a penny, or a quarter and a penny in. We write the date on the back of it. This one's from 2016 when we went to Hershey. So we just keep that there. And then the Google Home. Up here on this shelf, I just have a bunch of little things that I'll link down below. Just some like little knick-knacky things. And this basket is so cute. This is from Target. And I put this little like fake eucalyptus stuff in it. This is one of my like favorite parts of the room, is this shelf. I've never like decorated a shelf like that before, so I was really proud of myself.
I installed it.
Well, he put up the shelf, but I decorated it. So.
Yeah.
So then this is my desk, also from IKEA. I built this like 5 years ago and I built it wrong, so the desk like hardly opens, but you know, it's okay. It's a good desk if you built it right. It's still a good desk. So then I have this mirror from IKEA, this other mirror from IKEA, these lights from Amazon, some of my makeup palettes with a makeup palette holder. This is a laser toy for my cats, they love it. Brushes, hair stuff, my MacBook, my headphones, a bunch of makeup, and this little organizer thing from Amazon, and then this mini fan and my phone, but you know, that's just my phone. So that is the desk area. So moving on over to this basket. This basket is so cute. It's from Amazon and it has a little blanket in it from Amazon. I love it because I just put pillows in it and then I hide like random stuff at the bottom. Just like my blow dryer and straightener and random things, which is great because just more storage. Over on the wall we have this moonlight thing, which is so cute. I love it. And then we have this little picture frame from IKEA, and this is the first picture David and I ever took together. It's from our first date, the first time we ever met. And then I have this other picture frame. This is from Amazon, and then the actual picture inside is from Urban Outfitters. And then this candle, I believe, is from like Nordstrom or like one of those department stores, and it smells so good, but I've never actually burned it because it's just too pretty to burn. My brother got that for me maybe like 2 years ago for Christmas or something, so thank you, Kevin. So this is our dresser. It's from IKEA, and I'd show you inside the drawers, but they're really messy, so I'm not gonna show you that. But yeah, we love our dresser. If you're wondering why we don't have a closet, I know it kind of sucks, but we have like a clothing rack upstairs that we use to hang like stuff that would be hung in a closet. So, and then this provides storage, more storage.
The answer to why we don't have a closet is because New York.
Yeah, New York sucks. But no, I love it, but yeah. So then we have this little hamper with some dirty clothes, very nice. This is from Target, I believe. And yeah, this was also my room makeover.
Then you come here and here's some air that we're gonna use right now.
So then you come over here and we have this beautiful window, which we have these leaves on it from Amazon, and I love it. David did it like all around and it's very nice. We have our air conditioner, which is off right now so that it's not making noise for you guys, which we are sweating, but let's move on. Then we have this little boho
tapestry.
thing. Tapestry, I don't know if it's called that. Okay, we'll call it a tapestry. This is from Amazon, I believe. I will try to link this if I can find it. And then more leaves, and then it's a little tight over here. And then you come over here, and this is David's nightstand. So we got a heated bed for Sadie. Normally Sadie sleeps in this.
The heater is off right now because it's summer.
Well, yeah, but it's heated for the winter and the colder times, and she loves that. And then this blanket is from my best friend Christina, actually, when we first got Brindley. It's really cute, so just have it on there to make it a little more cozy for them. And then yeah, it's just this nightstand, so we have some storage, a box with like cat toys, his Nintendo Switch, and then the basket from Target with a bunch of random stuff in it, just like my side. Yeah, so that is the room. All right guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you want to see an apartment tour from me, seeing my entire apartment, not just the bedroom, then let me know and I will make sure to do that for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.
We got this.